In this lecture we will study about the heat. Clear? So what is the heat and what is the unit of heat? So first, heat is your form of energy. What is the heat? Heat is the form of energy, and here we will discuss two examples. First, when you rub your hands with each other, there is a formation of heat. Clear? Why there is a formation of heat? Because kinetic energy of our hands converted into heat. So this is your first example, that when you rub your hands against each other, they get warm and heat is produced, and this heat is due to the kinetic energy. Clear? Because when we move our hands, there is a kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy is converted into heat, and due to heat our hands get warm. There is another example, that is in vehicles, or for example in scooter, car, bus, we use diesel and petrol. That is the chemical energy. And when in the chamber we burn this diesel and petrol, there is a formation of heat energy, and that heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So in this example, we change the one form of energy into another. First chemical energy into heat energy, then change the heat into some mechanical work. So this is your second example. We show that heat is the form of energy, that is in scooter, buses, car, etc. We burn petrol, diesel. The heat produced by burning of this petrol or diesel is converted into mechanical energy. Clear? So here energy is converted into mechanical energy, and in first case kinetic energy is converted into heat energy. So what is the definition of this heat? So what is the heat? Heat is a form of energy and which cause the sensation of hotness and coldness. What is the definition? अगर हम definition की यहाँ पे बात करें, तो heat is a form of energy which cause the sensation of hotness and coldness. Means heat की वजह से हमारी body क्या sense करती है? Hotness and coldness. Why our body sense this hotness and coldness? So for example, if you touch the ice cube, when you touch the ice cube, you see your ice cube, and when we touch the ice cube, then there is a transfer of heat from our body to ice cube. There is a flow of heat from our body to this ice cube, and due to this transfer of heat from one body to another body, we feel coldness. Clear? Second, if we touch the cup of hot coffee, then in that case there is a transfer of heat from this cup to our body and we feel hotness. So our body sense the coldness and hotness. So heat is form of energy which cause the sensation of hotness and coldness, and this hotness and coldness, sensation of hotness and coldness is due to the flow of heat. So when heat flow from our body to another body, we feel coldness, and when heat flow from another body to our body, so we feel hotness. And this flow from one body to another body, that is due to the temperature difference. Due to the temperature difference between two bodies. And we can also measure this heat with the help of temperature. Next, if body is heated, in that case there is increase in energy. Why there is an increase in energy? This is your body, and we supply the heat, then there is increase in energy of body, because heat is a form of energy. In that case, energy is given to the body, that's why there is increase in energy. Second, when it is cooled, in that case there is a release of heat. वहां पे क्या हो रही है? हीट रिलीज हो रही है, एंड ड्यू टू दिस रिलीज ऑफ हीट मीन्स एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है, एंड देयर इज डिक्रीज इन एनर्जी ऑफ दिस बॉडी. तो ड्यूरिंग हीटिंग देयर इज इंक्रीज इन एनर्जी, बिकॉज हीट इज अ form of energy. We give the heat to the body, and that's why there is an increase in energy. And second, when heat released from the body, there is decrease in energy during cooling. The next is, what is the unit? What is the unit of energy? So there are two units. First, we measure the energy in calorie, and this is your order unit, and we can say that this is your non-SI unit. Second, in SI system, SI unit of heat is joule. SI system of heat is joule. And what is the relation between calorie and joule? 1 calorie, we represent the calorie with CAL. 1 calorie is equal to 4.814 joule. So this is the relation between this calorie and joule. Now next is define 1 calorie or 1 kilocalorie. What is the 1 calorie and what is the 1 kilocalorie? Next we will discuss about the define 1 calorie. So what is the 1 calorie? 1 calorie is the heat, amount of heat required to raise the temperature of water, 1 gram of water, the temperature of 1 gram water to 1 degree. So 1 gram water, why 1 degree? Why 1 degree centigrade is called calorie. So what is the 1 calorie? 1 calorie is the amount of heat. This is your heat. कौन सी हीट? जो हमें रिक्वायर्ड है. अगर 1 ग्राम वाटर का टेम्परेचर मेरे को 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक रेज करना है, 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक इंक्रीज करना है, तो जो मेरे को हीट चाहिए वो कितनी हीट चाहिए? 1 कैलोरी. रिपीट कर रहा हूं, 1 ग्राम वाटर का टेम्परेचर अगर मेरे को इंक्रीज करना है, कितना? 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक इंक्रीज करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या करनी पड़ेगी? हीट सप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी, और वो जो हीट सप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी वो कितनी सप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी? 1 कैलोरी. तो दैट इज द 1 कैलोरी. amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Clear? And there is another unit, that is kilocalorie. And what is the kilocalorie? Value of K is 1000 calorie. So what is the 1 kilocalorie? So if you want to describe here 1 kilocalorie, so in that case, amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram water, 1 kilogram water by 1 degree centigrade is called kilocalorie, is called 1 kilocalorie. So this is your definition of calorie. And what is the relation between this calorie and 1 joule? So 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. So what is joule? In this case, amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram water through 1 degree centigrade. Amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram water through 1 degree centigrade. The heat required is 4.184 joule. Means 1 gram water का टेम्परेचर अगर आपने 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक इंक्रीज करना है तो कितनी हीट चाहिए आपको? 4.184 जूल हीट क्या होगी? रिक्वायर्ड होगी. और यही क्या है? कैलोरी. तो क्लियर? तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this lecture we studied about this heat, then unit of heat, then what is the relation between this calorie and joule. In next lecture we will study about the temperature. Thank you.